What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear automotive? Perhaps you think about big car brands, the vehicle you drive or dream of driving. But the truth is, automotive is much more than what we see and feel. Behind every car lies an entire ecosystem. Thousands of parts, components, and systems, all working in harmony. Each one of those being designed and manufactured by the companies known as automotive suppliers. From innovative startups to global tech leaders, the automotive supply industry designs and produces the technologies that make cars safer, smarter, and more sustainable. These companies employ 1.7 million people and operate at the core of regional economies in the European Union. And we, CLEPA, are their voice in Brussels, bringing together over 3,000 automotive suppliers across Europe, fostering innovation, sustainability, and competitiveness in mobility, while ensuring their voice is heard at the heart of EU decision-making and on the global stage. CLEPA, driving the future of mobility from the inside out.